Guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we're going to show you how to fix Kenwood Dishwasher E4 error. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. Now if you're having this issue here on your Kenwood Dishwasher, there's a few things you can do here to probably fix this issue. So if you're getting the E4 error code dishwasher, the first thing you want to do is you want to check the overflow system. So the E4 error usually means that there's water in the overflow area. So this system is there to stop the dishwasher from flooding if there's too much water inside. Now, what do we need to do here afterwards? So you want to pull out the dishwasher and you want to carefully slide the dishwasher out under the counter. So if you have it under the counter, so you can access the drip tray at the very bottom. Now, from then on, you want to go ahead and tilt it to drain the water. So once you pull it out, you want to basically tilt the dishwasher here for about a 45-degree angle. So this will let the extra water drain out of the anti-flood collection tray. So in this case, just tilt it for 45 degrees. So as the water drains, the float switch, which detects if there's water, will reset. Now once it no longer senses any water inside it, the dishwasher should clear the E4 error code. So after you drain the water, just slide back into the position where you have it, just under the counter, if it's under the counter. But in this case, that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.